It's gifting season and I'm really enjoying tracking down a luxury gifting bargain. Today we are taking a look inside the Clinique gifting offers available right now at Boots. And I have something for everyone. I think I've found some really bargain gifts and they start at just £20. So let's take a look at the first one. So the first thing that I found is this Clinique Cult Classics on the Go set, and this is a black honey makeup gift set, and this is available at only £20. So I think if you are looking for a luxury beauty gift for any woman in your life, I think this is suitable for younger women and older women alike, so that makes this a really fantastic gift. I think you can't go wrong with something from Clinique. And products that are currently trending are these black honey and pink honey lips. I actually haven't tried these before, so I'm really looking forward to taking a look at these. You might want to be aware that they're not actually full size products, at least the mascara isn't. I'm not sure about this lip actually. The mascara you're getting here is the classic Clinique High Impact Mascara in black. And then this lip product is the black honey. And this is actually a really popular trending product right now. So I'm kind of pretty excited to try this on. Let me just swatch this on my hand to see what this looks like. So that looks like a really lovely semi-sheer wearable colour actually. So I look forward to trying that. And in fact, I might try and stick a bit on now and take a look at this. It is pretty sheer and it's not showing up all that much over the top of my lipstick. But it feels nice and moisturising and adding this kind of moisture layer over the top of my lipstick. But I look forward to trying this on its own sometime. I think that looks really nice. So our next gift, again only £26 this one. This time we have two lip duo. We have the black honey and we also have the pink honey. And I think this would make a really fantastic gift for anyone in your life really that likes sheer lip products. Let's take a look at the pink honey. We'll swatch this one this time. So again, we've got a really nice sheer pink tinted lip product here. And these I think make a really nice gift. Next up, not to forget the man in your life, we have this Clinique for Men set. We have got a cleanse and hydrate duo, and this is selling in Boots for just £40. Inside this box we do have two full-sized products. We have got the moisturising lotion, I think that is in 100ml, and we have got a face wash in 200ml. So that is a pretty generous sizing, and I'm sure that will make the man in your life very happy. So also on at the moment, Boots have got this special offer where if you spend £40, and you might do that by buying either the two lip sets or one of the men's sets, or you might buy this Clinique Beauty Icons set for £44.50 at the moment. If you spend £40 on any of those three ways, you get this product here for just £65, and this is worth £110. And this is a really full set of Clinique products. It's called the Clinique Fan Favourites, and you can see in here we have an eye cream, we have a highlighter stick, we have a foaming facial soap, we have a mascara, we have the Dramatically Different moisture lotion, and we have a lip. That's their kind of star offer at the moment, is to get this for £65 when you spend £40 on another purchase. So to get that special offer, I bought this product here, which is the Beauty Icon set for £44.50. And this I have made a saving here apparently of £76.50. So this is a really, really heavily discounted product, and the gift box offer over there is also very, very heavily discounted. So if you are looking to stock up on Clinique right now, then these are a couple of good options for doing that. Let us take a look inside the Beauty Icons set. So we have actually really, really nice vanity case here. It's green, a sort of mint green, a Clinique green, leather effect. I'm going to assume it's not leather. Opens up, and in here we have all our products. So in here we have a full-sized liquid facial soap. This is a great product. I've used this one many times. Also, this was the moisturizer that I went to for many, many years. The Dramatically Different moisturizer from Clinique. Again, that is an absolute tried and true classic. And we also have an eye cream. And as ever, we have the High Impact Mascara. So I think whether it's for yourself or for a gift, you can stock up right now on the full Clinique set here for £44.50. And then if you are in the mood to splurge, you can also get the fan favourites set for just £65. So if we take a look inside here, it's all very nicely organised actually. That makes a nice change. We have this chubby stick highlighter here. If I can just swatch that for you. There we go. There we have our chubby stick highlighter. We also have our full-size moisturiser. We have a full-sized foaming facial soap. We have an eye cream. We have another High Impact Mascara. And we have this lip. And we have this lip, which it turns out is actually pink honey. So we've got another option here to get our hands on the pink honey lipstick. So there we have it. We have a gift for everyone this year, starting at just £20 and going up to just £65 with a £40 purchase. What do you think? Are these the gifts you would like to give to the people in your lives? I think we've got some really nice lip options for friends and family. There is a really nice man's option for the man in your life. And we've got here two fantastic full range boxes, which you can either keep or gift. Thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button to keep my channel going and check out one of my other videos here. Stay curious.